Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived a jolly old man named Solomon Grundy. Every Sunday, Solomon would wake up bright and early, at exactly 8:30. At 9 o'clock sharp, he'd have his breakfast, eggs and bacon with a slice of wheat. At 10, he'd go a-fishing, on the river so wide, with his little dog Tidbit by his side. At 11, he'd return home, with a basket so full, to share his catch with his family, one and all. At noon, he'd take a nap, under the shade of a tree, dreaming sweet dreams of the sun and the sea. At 1, he'd wake up again, and join his family's play, a game of catch or a dance, in the warm sun's ray. At 2, they'd sit down for lunch, a feast fit for a king. Potatoes and peas, with a pie, oh, how it would sing. At 3, they'd go a-walking, in the fields so green, with Tidbit the dog, and their hearts, as light as a spleen. At 4, they'd gather flowers, for Grandma Grundy's tea, a bouquet of beauty, for her to see. Then off to the bathhouse, with a splash, and a wee. At 6, they'd sit down for supper, a meal so fine, with Grandma's apple pie, to end the day's design. At 7, they'd gather round, for Grandpa's bedtime tale, of adventures and dreams, that would never fail. At 8, Solomon Grundy would say his prayers, thanking God for his blessings, and for the love that he shares. And that's the end of Solomon Grundy's wonderful day, from morning till night, spent in joy and play. And so it was, for Solomon Grundy, the man who lived life, just as it should be.